So, so like what I thought we say, I record them. I record, but your face no come inside. I just record your voice. Alright, so have you used Uber, the Uber app, and also I picked you as both, so obviously you've used both before. So comparing Uber and Bolt, which one works well for you? Bolt. Why Bolt?
Commission is far better. I'm going for them. They charge quite the same prices. Even the same amount, like I said earlier, you will take the lesser percentage or lesser cut. It's relatively better.
Okay, so someone who is watching or listening to us, and the person does not really know the commission we're talking about, like how do you earn commission from? I mean,
okay, so
the job.
For every trip, Uber takes 25% of the total charge that the customer will incur.
Yeah.
So when you pay up, if at the end of the trip you pay, let's say 10 cities, Uber will take 2 cities, 50 pesos.
Yeah.
Then you will take the rest, 75%.
Okay.
But with Bolt, it takes just 20%. That's 2 cities.
Wow.
Then you the driver get 80%.
Okay.
That's 8 cities. Exactly. Okay. So, and like I said earlier on, when you observe them carefully, they have quite the same rate in terms of the pricing. So at the end of the day, one will take you a lesser commission as compared to the other. So in the lunch, I'm going for the one who take a lesser commission out of the gross fee.
Obviously. Alright. So as a boat driver, which challenges do you face in your day-to-day activity?
Cancelling ride when you have initiated movement to go pick them up. That is so annoying.
Okay.
They don't take the time to go to ask where you got it to, or probably observe their map to see whether you are coming or not. Then at their own discretion, they feel like you are keeping so long. Probably there's traffic holding you up. You don't even go to find out or something. But if there's anything, whenever you request the map, there's an request for the ride. There's an ETA. Probably 4 minutes. So you have to observe the ETA. If you are comfortable with it, then you keep the request. But some of them will accept it, making it seem like they are comfortable with it. But when we are coming along the line, they just end the ride. Sometimes you are just close to the passenger. And the unfortunate thing is I only know whoever it is. But if you knew the person, you could just go and bang them, be like, hello, I was almost here, why did you end it? But you don't know the person, so you have no other option but to just drive back or wait for the next ride and go. That's a wasted fuel. Okay. And that's money.
So when that happened, you as an individual, how do you manage that situation?
I guess I swallow the pain. Because I don't have any option. I can't see the person. If I were to see the person, then I have the right to say, wow, I'm almost here, so why would you end the ride? Are you going to compensate me for that wasted fuel? But I don't know the person, I can't see the person. And for me, with my style of operating, I don't usually call when you request for the ride. I work under the assumption that you've requested for the ride. Okay. So you give me a stipulated time to get there. So I work within that time frame. As the boat might have probably told you I'm there in 4 minutes time. So if I see there's a delay, then I may call you. Okay, I'm almost there, but there's a delay. Minus that, I'll work within a time frame. Okay. So I'm expecting you to give me that benefit of the doubt that okay, we'll do it within this time. That's right. So I'll not go the extra mile to maybe call you or something. I'll just come. And the one thing about the app is that when the person requests, you get to see the details of the person whilst the request is still valid. It's still valid. Okay. But when the person cancels the ride, you don't get to have the person's contact info. Okay. So maybe I'm almost there, then you cancel the ride on me. You're like, I didn't even retrieve your contact. So I can't even call you, tell them, okay, I'm almost there. So why did you even cancel it? Okay. Then I have no other option but to just swallow the pain and go. Okay. But in instances whereby probably you retrieve the number before going there, when the person cancels it, you can call the person. Okay. Some do it on purpose and you call and they don't even answer. They don't even answer. Okay. Some of them they'll be change of mind all of a sudden. Alright. You know, no stops.
Alright. So aside the individual aspects, what challenges again do you face as a boat driver?
Challenges, I would say.
Do you face any challenges with the app?
Oh yes, exactly.
What are
the app, you can't respond to the customer's message, unlike Uber. Uber has one of the top-notch apps now, and they know that it's well organized. But with both customer response, sometimes you go test it and be like, please, I'm here. Give me 5 minutes. You know, it's a one-way end conversation. I can't respond to you. I can only read. Which to me is a big setback. Because feedback is very important. Let's say at that juncture, I'm not even ready to call you to make you understand that I've seen your message and I'm responding accordingly. Then you may think I'm ignoring your message. That can also push you to cancel the request or something. So that's one challenge with regards to the map. Then sometimes the GPS, the coordination, you could be thrown off course. I've heard about instance, someone can be in Tema, then you are sent to maybe somewhere up to 22. That's almost like Ashiyama. The person request seems like the person is the no the person are committee for. But instead for no means to even channel your grievances or something. So like I said, you just swallow it and move on. But with regards to the app, I think those are the major challenges, the GPS and the communication in terms of text messages, responding to them. I think minus those two, it's okay. Minus those two is okay.
So, you're happy with the boat app and their service apart from the two?
Yeah, I think to the best of my knowledge, I don't know there's one I have no pinpoint, but minus that, I'm okay. I can't complain about the second one because that one, the price to me is not so cool, but I mean, what can I say? Someone says it's a standard pricing. So, because sometimes you have to just drive. Sometimes you can just drive and get full. You woke up to go make money. You didn't go make money, just went to use your energy and just get something bigger. But I also understand it from the angle. It's a strategy to win customers. So it's a marketing strategy. Because minus that, we wouldn't also be working to get many requests coming in. So for that side, I can't really complain much. I think it's fair.
So looking at the constraint or let me say the challenge that you've listed so far, would you conclude that the boat app is favorable mostly for the client as compared to the drivers?
Down 100%. It's customer friendly. That's how I think that's their marketing strategy they used. That's my point of view. They came in to make sure they make their customers so happy. Such a way that they'll be so convenient or comfortable using the app. Like typical example is cancellation fee. You will not dare do that on Uber. Because that 5 CD you don't want to let it down. But this is good design their structure to so customer friendly at the expense of the drivers. So sometimes we just have to be grateful that those things that I'm mentioning are just a few out of. They just happen to like let's say about 10% negative. Like as in we're having about 10% negative customers compared to the lot. The lot will wait for you to come and all that. Just a few sometimes cancel it out for you. So that's what we're grateful for. But minus the human aspect of they being sensitive to we. The app is not taking care of us in that context. It's just relying on human instinct to know say oh I'm in China. Minus that there's no system in place to check that.
So moving on, what do you want in case any of their executives or their whatever thing is watching or listening, what do you want them to do for drivers that will make you guys happy basically?
Number one, work on the feedback. Because communication is key.
Very key,
It helps even save the credit you spend when we come there. Because most of these customers will not go the extra mile to call you. They want you to call. They feel like you are supposed to call them. But that is why there's the arrive aspect of the app. So when I come and I pull arrive, you get a notification, hey, he has arrived. So because they're not giving us any call allowance, so I'm going to have to use my own credit to call you. I'm not being paid for that. So that is why that notification aspect of the app is there. But most of them don't come to that realization, say, okay, or true notification. You can put notification and be like, they'll be like almost 5 minutes, not even I was like, oh, you called the person, I want to do. I'm like, so what? What is the arrive for? You got arrive one for you. Until I call you and I say, and I want framing. Like I'm supposed to call you. But there's a arrive aspect of the app. Okay, so if they can work on that side, when I get there I can at least test you that oh I'm here. Then even if I don't get to call you, you see my message say, do to save me that airtime. Exactly. So then that one then is work on the app, the GPS. But I don't think it's much of them. So I think for me being it's that of the communication. Then if you can do something about the pricing, let's look at that. So that we at the end we make suffer. So those two things for me.
Okay, thank you very much for talking to us. So that is all for the Uber driver. I had some tete-a-tete with him, trying to know some of the challenges and things that he faces as on the daily basis.